All right. Hi. This is my first unboxing video. Um, every time that I buy anything for my for my future movie theater, home movie theater, I will be doing an unboxing video for that thing. Um, to start, I have three Blu-ray movies that I bought earlier today. I actually have six movies, but I think I cannot fit all six movies in one video. So I'll make this unboxing number one, part one, and then I'll make part two with the other six movies. I have actually tried shooting this. Now this is the fourth time that I shoot it, but first two times my camera failed on me, and the third time I realized it would be too long for one video. So I'm just gonna do three Blu-ray movies that I bought and three Blu-ray movies in part two that I also bought. So, to start this off, I have one of my favorite movies of all time. One of my favorite actors. Um, I've seen this movie many, many times, and yeah, let's just dive into it. It's the original Fast and the Furious movie. Um, a movie that I really, really like. Paul Walker is one of my favorite, or was one of my favorite actors. Um, I think this is some kind of special edition or something. It's at least got this cardboard cover. I bought this movie because I really like it and I wanted to own it on Blu-ray. Yeah, that's about it. I'll take it out of the packaging for you. This is just like a cardboard box, cardboard cover. And then I have the Blu-ray itself, just a normal looking Blu-ray. I do have a knife here somewhere. I used to have a knife here somewhere. There it is. My trusty Swiss Army knife. Um, yeah, I decided that I would um, buy these three movies, and then I decided I need to buy something to start this off with a bang. So I got a box set, which is the six movies that I have tomorrow for the next video. Three movies, sorry, not six. So yeah, that's the Fast and the Furious box. Uh, cool thing. Looking forward to watching it. I will do a review of at least most of the movies that I buy. Um, even though I've seen this one, I will watch it and then do a review. Next movie I have is a movie that I've seen. No, sorry, that I've not seen. It's been really. This movie is very argued about. People are not do not agree on this movie. It's a movie that I want to see. I've never seen it, like I said. It's one of my favorite directors, and it is Prometheus by Ridley Scott. Um, Michael Fassbender is always also one of my favorite actors. I really like him. So yeah, I thought I'd get this movie and see how I like it. I'll open it for you as well, so you can see what it is. I don't think this is any special edition or anything, just a normal Blu-ray. This is taking all day. So yeah, that's the box. Good looking thing. I like the artwork here. Oh, it's also got this stupid thing on. Thank you. Oh, I will need this more. Got one more movie for you. So yeah, inside the cover we have Prometheus, the disc, and apparently we have a DVD, both a Blu-ray and a DVD, and some leaflet. Very cool. Next up, we have a movie that I have also not seen. I'm looking forward to watching this. Actually, I read the book. I read the book that it's based on. I liked it, and this actor is one of my favorites, Daniel Day-Lewis in The Last of the Mohicans. This is a director's definite cut. Yeah, I'm looking forward to watching this movie. I like the book, and I hope that I will like the movie as well. Yeah, let's see what's inside. Oh yes, no white stripe. I won't have to fast forward over this then. A very good looking cover. No leaflet, only the disc. Yeah, looking good. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.